Michael from ROKFORM here. Today we're going to be unboxing and installing our S26 Ultra Rugged Case. So let's unbox our S26 Ultra Rugged Case and install it. When we open it up, we'll see all of our information as well as the catalog of ROKFORM products. We've got our rugged case here, as well as the magnetic plug. So if you're using the magnetic plug, you can pop out the standard plug that's installed when you buy your case. But it is important to note that if you have the magnetic plug installed in your phone, that you cannot use any wireless charging. It will interfere. And it can give some difficulty when you're using the S Pen. So if you are using the S Pen, we recommend using the standard non-magnetic plug that comes installed on your rugged case. But if you want to change them, you can just simply pop out the plug like that, and pop it back in. Like our other rugged cases, this has great drop protection. We've got our camera cut out and it's a little bit raised on the edges there to make sure that the lenses stay extra safe. We've got our magnetic ring on the back as well as the extra lower magnets, so you get a lot of magnetic bite and hold when you're mounting it in different places. We've also got the opening on the bottom for the S Pen, as well as a lanyard slot on the side, in case you're using the lanyard on your motorcycle, bike, even on day-to-day use. So we'll unbox our S26 Ultra here, and we can install it in the case. So to install it, we'll just start with one of the corners. We'll press it down and press down on the other end, and then repeat that process on the opposite corner. And then we'll have it nice and secure. It's ready to go. So you can see we've got that beveled edge, a little bit raised there to keep the camera lenses safe. Again, we've got the lanyard slot on the side. And then for the S Pen here on the bottom, you can simply press it, it'll pop out. And then you'll be able to take the pen out right there. You can open up your notes, and like we mentioned before, you can just start drawing, start writing, and it works great with the standard plug that comes installed. Then when you're all done, put the S Pen back inside and you'll press it down, make sure it clicks and locks into place. Now that we've got our rugged case installed on our S26 Ultra, we can show off some of the accessories. So right here we've got our MagSafe sport ring. This is a great one because you can attach it to any MagSafe case and it connects to the MagSafe ring right there on the back of the case. And then it also works as a stand, both in landscape mode or portrait mode, just like that. This is another great accessory also because you can use it just for an extra grip, even if you have gloves on, so it keeps your phone nice and secure. You can pop it off just like that if you don't need to use it for some reason. Additionally, we have our 5K and our 10K power banks. So right here we've got our 5K, and that also attaches to the MagSafe ring on the back. It's also got a stand as well, so you can put it down while you are charging and be hands-free. Just a reminder, if you are using any wireless charging, you need to make sure that you have the non-magnetic plug installed. So this is the one that comes installed in the phone when you first unbox it. So just a reminder about that. And then last but not least, we've got one of our suction mounts. It has a RokLock head on there as well. So I'm gonna lock this down, and then I will take the magnetic RokLock plug out of the phone case. I'll reinstall the phone into the rugged case, and then I'll align the RokLock here on the RokLock head, twist, and it's locked and ready to go. So this is a great mount if you're in the car, maybe in the workshop, because it keeps your phone very visible and hands-free. When we're done, we'll just twist it, it unlocks and removes, and you can reinstall the plug by taking the phone out of the case if you want to. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can visit us at our showroom in Irvine or reach out to us online or over the phone.